So here I am putting on my hood pins. It's funny, I'll have to show you how I put it in. Just run this wire through here. Okay, you see that? Up and around, and there's this plastic pin here that I don't screw. You just unscrew it, put through the hood pin, and away you go. Easy peasy. And then I'll show you the other side. Yeah, here, here, film that. Me taking this out. So it's take these out. The funnest part is to take this off. Oh, breaking this. Got to go up and over this thing. Okay. That side. And we'll get our pin. And we're gonna feed it through the grill. Hello. Get that hitting. They're hitting something. They go on that side. It's clear on that side. Alright, there we go. There we go. So, undo this little pin.
That's there just for that purpose?
Yeah, that's what I figured. I thought I had to drill holes into here. I knew I had to do something into here. And I see this screw here and I go, shit, that's got to be it. Well, we can use it for now, and if I really want to make it real secure, I can put a regular nut and bolt later, but
How big is it?
yeah.
Little tiny machine screw.
Yeah. So I'm gonna put it like that.
It looks like it's made for it.
Yeah, exactly, man. See, they're afraid to put it in at the dealer, saying, you know, oh, this thing's gonna, it's gonna chip the front of the car. But this is all coated with plastic, and plus I'm gonna get a bra, one of those spray-on 3M bras. I got a can of it, and I'm gonna do the whole front end of the car. All right, so let these lay down gentle. Take this out. That down. Oops. Oh, we gotta put this all back together.
Yeah.
That would be good. Let's not get carried away. Alright, the fun part. This over here. There we go. That's easy peasy, that one. Not so bad. And and then something like that. These will go on the bottom, or like this, maybe.
Yeah, that's probably the better way.
Yeah. That's around here.
Well done.
Yeah.
Cool.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Yeah. All right. That's them there now. mounted. Looks good. Everyone's worried. Hopefully that's all coated, so hopefully this won't chip my paint. I'm gonna put like a spray on, like I was said, bra. It's made by 3M. I had a can of it for my other Challenger, but I never got around to it. But now that I put my plate down low, I got this whole bumper clear. I want to protect that because I drive a lot of miles every day. I want to keep it kind of nice, eh? Had it for a month, this car. Best car I've ever owned in my life, I must say. So, I bid you adieu. Till next time. So here I am, putting on my hood pins. It's funny, I'll have to show you how I put it in. Just run this wire through here. Okay, you see that? Up and around, and there's this plastic pin here that I don't screw. You just unscrew it, put through the hood pin, and away you go. Easy peasy.